Now we're going to add some text underneath this Hawaii text here. So first thing that I want you to do is we need to deselect the layers. Two ways you can do that. You can go to select and deselect layers, or I like to just click down here outside. See how the layers are not selected anymore? Okay. And next what I want to do is I want you to hit the letter T, and you are going to get the horizontal type tool that's right here. Okay, now up here, this is the character panel, which you can get by clicking on the window character. And I'm going to zoom in big time on this so that you can stop the screen, stop the video, and see all of the settings that we use. So the first thing is you want, well, the font that we used was Birch. Just click in it and start typing Birch right there. Birch Standard Regular. You do not have to use this font. Matter of fact, you don't need to use any of these settings. If you wish, this is just what we used. We have the font style is regular. The font size is 36. We have the tracking set to 250, which is pretty large. The vertical scale is 100. Horizontal scale is 100. And color. Click on color and pick yourself a nice rich green. Something that you would want to see around Hawaii. If you want, you can go over and you can click on some of this nice lush grass here. Please notice that I've got the eyedropper at the moment. And so, see how I clicked on the purple flower and it selected purple over here. And then the lime green of the pineapple. I'm going back here though. I'm going to take the green from this grass. That is nice. Say, okay. All right, next, I want you to select full bold. We're going to go all caps, and I have no idea how to pronounce that. Standard ligatures, it looks like. I think. All right, so now with the text tool, I want you to click just down below the H of Hawaii, and you'll notice it gives you some default text. Just don't do anything except type Island Paradise. All right, you'll see where it is right here. And if you like what you've got, you are going to have to click on the check mark. Okay? If you want to get to the move tool, a lot of people make this mistake and they then hit the letter V. And see what just happened? I added V to the text. So in order to get out of the text tool, you either click the check mark, or you can hit the enter key as well. But on you please notice that there's a difference between the return key, see how it just went down to the next level right there, and the enter key on a keyboard. I have to hold down the function key and hit the return, and that's the enter, and that just entered it in. People that have a large keyboard, the enter key is probably way over on the far right underneath the numbers or next to the numbers. Anyway, a lot of people just find it easier just to click the check mark. We want to grab the move tool, which is the letter V, or you can click here, and now we can drag it down to where we want. And we're going to position this just a little bit lower on down. Don't worry if it seems to be a bit muddled. We're gonna add in some extra little effects so that it really pops a whole lot more.